Hey guys, Justin here, and it's time for another unboxing video. Remo Nutrients had actually sponsored the giveaway, and they sent out one of these supercharged kits to one lucky winner, and they also sent one to me. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this sucker open and show you guys what you actually get with this supercharged kit. It's about 150 bucks for the whole kit here. Open it up, bam, right off the top. We got a Remo Nutrients hat. Kick ass, I fucking love hats. Even though it's a dad style hat, I'll still rock that occasionally. So we'll put that, let's put that over there. We got a whole bunch of stickers. Supercharged, Remo Nutrient stickers. A bunch of those. What do we got here? Oh, we got a lot of stuff. Okay. Alright. Crack it up. Oh, yep. We got some Remo Nutrients posters. Hard to show you what it is here because it curls up, but Remo. So a bunch of Remo posters. Badass. We got some more Remo Nutrients stickers. Some slaps. Badass. Oh, and there's even more stuff in here. What in the hell is that? What the hell is that? Oh, it's a lanyard thing. What do you put on the end? A lighter? Is that to hold a lighter? What the hell is that to hold? It's really cool. That's the sickest looking fucking little lanyard thing. I'm actually going to use that for my my work badge. Hell yeah. That's fucking sick. I got two of those. Badass. Alright, we're not even into the good shit, really. Pull out some packing shit. More packing shit. It's packed really well. Holy shit. This thing's fucking heavy. Oh, can I one-hand it? Oh, shit. Okay. I'm gonna pull this out with two hands. I will be right back. This fucking thing's heavy. Alright, I am back. I got it out of the box here. It was really heavy, too heavy to pull off with one hand, man. I was afraid I was going to drop it. 7 1-liter bottles is what's in here, so that's quite a bit of liquid. Here's the posters. Got those laid out. So let's bust this sucker open. This is a really nice setup. Like, it's packaged well. Like, yeah, everything's really nice. What do we got on top here? We got Bloom, Grow, and Micro. So there's our Bloom, Grow, and Micro. Over there. So lay those out. What do we got in here? Some more stickers. Put those over there. Oh, what do we got? Oh, extra stuff. Extra stuff. Here's the Remo measuring cup. So I don't know if every recharge or supercharged kit gets the hat and everything. That might have just been stuffed in here extra, because here's another one of these. So now I got 3 of those. That's badass. So I don't know if everyone's going to get those, but everyone should get what's in this box right here, I would think. This is probably the... Yeah. There's your guide, feeding chart. Tells all about everything that you get right there. Get it in here. We got Magnific Cow, Cow Mag, Nature's Candy for flowering, Velo Kelp, always good, Veg Time. What else we got in here? One more thing. Astro Flower. This I did actually use. I've used this whole kit before, and it worked really well. Anything else in here? Nope, nothing in there. Take a quick look in this box. Alright, so I've got the whole bundle out. I pulled out the poster here, put that up on the wall. I got another one underneath. Pretty nice little poster, actually. We got the stickers laid out here. Anybody want some stickers? That's a lot of stickers. Pretty nice though. And I already grabbed one of the lighter leashes to use with my my lanyard for work. Badass little measuring cup, and then we got the hat, of course. But I did want to go over the nutrients a little bit closer, because we do have the grow, the bloom, and the micro. You don't use them all at the same time. During veg, you'll go with just the grow and the micro, and then during flower, you go with just the micro and the bloom. And so that's pretty much how that works out. I know there's some nutrient systems that have the grow, the micro, and the bloom, and you use all three of them kind of throughout the whole time or whatnot. This isn't like that. You're only using two, which is just way easier to deal with. So that's pretty cool there. Then you've got some additives along the sides here, which additives are great. This is going to be this is your base nutrient here. This is going to be the workhorse of the grow. That's going to be the engine that powers the growing, basically. That's how you can look at base nutrient. Now, all these on the side here, you can look at as kind of like bolt-on attachments for your car. Like, say, you bolt on a supercharger, or you bolt on a new intake, or you bolt on a new exhaust, or all these things are going to give you small upgrades. Not massive change, well, the turbocharger would, but massive, usually not massive changes, but just small upgrades. And the more you do, the more you get. And that's basically how I equate add-ons. Like, you can just run a grow with just these, and you could do just fine for the most part. But when you add in the other components, it's just better. And so why not have it better? And this kit includes everything. And I did want to go over some of the side add-ons and stuff. And we do have their little brochure here. So we got like the Velo Kelp. You can see that there. It's a seaweed extract. It says you can use it in all stages of growth. Really good for early plant development. Surprisingly, it says it's filtered, so you can use it in hydroponic systems, which I didn't know that. And a lot of the heavier kelp stuff you can't really use in the hydroponic systems because it gets all gummed up and stuff. So pretty cool on that. Always good to have some kelp. Then we got the Nature's Candy, which is carbs and amino acids. I like to use this. It says beneficial for all stages, but I like to usually use it during flower. And that also says you can use it in hydro or soilless. And then Astroflower is pretty much their bloom booster. It's to give you a potassium and phosphorus boost that the micro and bloom don't. I used it, worked really great. Also can be used in hydroponic system. This whole system can be used in soil, hydroponic, cocoa, whatever you want to do. So it's got all the bases covered. And then of course we got the Magnifical, which is their CalMag, basically. It is a little bit higher on the nitrogen than most of them. It's 300. CalMag's 200 and Cali Magic is 100. But it says it can also be used as a foliar spray, which is kind of cool. So the whole system is really sweet. This is the grow, bloom, and the micro. They do have a roots stimulator, and then that's the whole kit there. And then they got on the back of here is the feeding chart here. So for veg, you're looking at micro, grow, Velo Kelp, and Magnifical at very low dosages. Like, these are really pretty low dosages, really. And then you go down to flowering, and you're still pretty a fairly low dosage. I mean, it's double what it is up there basically, but like for example, in comparison, I've used Advanced Nutrients, and they are 10 milliliter, or 15, excuse me, 15 milliliters per gallon, I believe, 15 or 16 on the recommended for theirs. So that's the feeding schedule there. Aggressive flowering formula For larger plants, use 10 milliliter. Hell yeah. I want aggressive feeding. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, this whole setup is really nice. You guys don't really need to buy anything else. If you're looking for an all-in-one complete nutrient solution, this one works really well. I've tried this in the past. They sent me one a couple years ago when they first hit the market. I ended up running it, did really well. I think I ran it with the Dark Dreams and just absolutely killed it. Still one of the best flowering videos that I've made in the last few years. So really happy to get some more of this stuff back in. Thank you to Remo Nutrients for sending me this awesome party pack. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys need some nutrients, check out Remo. He's got the good shit. Until next time, guys, happy growing.